Guys, it's official. The OnePlus Open is available for pre-orders, and the price tag, $1,500. Right now, if you pre-order it, as it says right here, you get the 512GB version, which normally would cost $1,700, but it's going to cost $1,500 to pick it up right now. You can either get it in black or you can get it in emerald dust. And if you pre-order right now, you can get it as of the 25th for a $10 extra shipping charge. Or you can get it the 27th for, I think it's actually 26th with $10 extra, or the 28th for just normal free shipping. So, yeah, we have it. It's here. I don't know why, just for the longest time, we've been waiting for this phone. We've been waiting for true competition, for not only Samsung, which obviously with the Z Fold 5, but also the Google Pixel Fold. And I'm trying to find it right here. Right here. That's a Google Pixel Fold. We finally have competition right here, right? And it's the OnePlus Open. Now, of course, let's go ahead and break this down and talk about it. And let's go through all the details we have on the website. So, starting off right away, yes, as you can see, you can get it on the 27th or the 25th. When you put this in your cart, it actually updates to 14. It actually updates to the 28th and 26th. So, people are pre-ordering it, so they're going to run out of stock, as always, whenever pre-orders happen. But we have light and compact. It's pro sizing on the Fold. Lighter than any Z Fold 1 at 239 grams. Weighs just like a Pro Max 2. The Open is all sized up for a familiar hold. I don't know, wait, for any Fold 1. Okay, so they're not talking about Z Fold. They're just saying any Fold 1. I don't know why they say Fold 1. But anyway, though, light makes might. Extraordinary materials blend the best of both. I don't know why I'm reading this like I'm like a director. I don't know. Pro XDR displays in and out. Game-changing multitasking. Cameras, amazing cameras for the Fold. OnePlus fast and smooth. More power than you can handle. Okay, come on now. You guys are kind of overdoing it there. Come on, let's be honest. You're kind of overdoing it. Here's what we care about. Key features. Light, compact, and durable. 120 Hz on both displays. Obviously, 2K AMOLED displays. It has the Sony Latia Pixel stacked. Okay. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM. Keep in mind, most phones have 12 gigabytes of RAM when it comes to foldable phones, and then they can do virtual RAM up to 16. This has 16 out of the gate already on the phone. When open, dimensions thickness-wise is 5.9 millimeters. Thickness is 5.8 millimeters. Oh. Wait. Why is the Emerald Dust variant is skinnier than the black variant? You guys see that, right? 5.9, 5.8. And then the width is also different on the black variant versus the emerald variant. So, different colors, but different devices. Okay, that's weird. I'm not gonna lie, that's definitely different. Thickness, when it's closed, it is different thickness. It's literally, the black variant is 0.2 millimeters thicker than the Emerald Dusk variant. It also weighs more. I mean, we have 73.3 millimeters to 180 grams more for the other variant, for the Emerald variant. Okay. And then it's 6 grams more right here. Oh, sorry, no, this is the width and the height. Okay, I am absolutely butchering this. Okay, so we have, width is 73.3 millimeters, and then, where's the width? Oh, I guess this is just the height. What is going on here? So, this is OnePlus Open. OnePlus, why is your website confusing? When open, right? Not 5.9, this variant. 5.9, this variant. When open, these are just the... Okay, this is for universal. They're not different there. They're a 0.1 millimeter difference between the two variant colors, but these are exactly, this is for both devices. Okay, now I'm understanding it. Okay, then it says right here, the thickness of both is a 0.2 millimeter when closed. So when they're open, it's a 0.1 millimeter difference. When it's closed, it's a 0.2 millimeter difference. I don't know why that's the case. That seems so odd and just different. Okay, yeah, this is a thing. Weigh, and then the weight of the different weight of both of them. And yes, they are different weights. So depending on what variant you get, one is 6 grams heavier, and that's going to be the Emerald Dust version is 6 grams heavier than the Voyager Black. Are they actually going to show us throughout the whole entire thing? Okay, no. So the rest of these, they don't actually show you, like, oh, this variant is better than this way. Everything else is about the variants are the same, except for the thickness and the weight. I can't express or convey the confusion in me why there are different variant colors that are different devices, pretty much. I mean, I guess different thicknesses. Okay. So, again, like I said, listen. This phone is definitely amazing, right? It's definitely exciting. We finally got a brand new foldable cell phone in this industry. This is an international cell phone. This is a cell phone that's going to be in the United States. Obviously, it's rebranded Oppo Find N3. But, you know, that phone is amazing. It has 3 generations. This phone has gone through 3 generations of upgrades before now it being released to the general public. This is not a first-gen product, right? This is a 3-generation worth of upgrades before we are getting this exact phone, which, to be honest, is a huge W, right? This is not like, you know, Google, who came out with their phone and then was like, oh yeah, nice, Google has a phone. But Google's phone is not, again, it's a first-gen product. It's not a, you know, third-gen, it's not multi-gen, so, you know, there's going to be problems. There's going to be things that need to be fixed. There's going to be things that break over time because we haven't had much time with it. This has had 3 years with it. So, I'll be honest with you. You know, I don't know how I feel about this phone. Guys, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But on a real note, though, I don't see any wireless charging, and that kind of disappoints me. Unless I missed it completely, which I probably could, because I'll be honest with you, I have never seen a website set it up like this. Usually they have their specs sitting down here somewhere, and that's usually how they have it all set up, and it's actually really nice, and I really like it like that because it's just easier. So what if I want to do... Okay, so I can't compare a OnePlus Open to a OnePlus Open, which I think you should be able to, because, I mean, one's the difference, and, you know. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.